Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making another unboxing video. Tada! The Razer Kraken X gaming headset for console, wired console gaming headset, which is for PS4, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and even compatible for computer and laptop. So the description here says, bendable cardioid microphone suppresses noise from the back and sides. Ultralight comfort with memory foam cushions, which I think with this part here. Custom tuned 40mm drivers for powerful clear sound with immersive bass. Or is it bass? Hidden indented eyewear channels to eliminate pressure from glasses, which is a good thing, that for me. And on headset controls, microphone mute and volume slider. And the package content is, of course, the headset itself and the audio mic splitter extension cable. So here are the technical specifications of the headphones, on ear cup control, audio usage, and the microphone. And at the back here, it shows this adjustable headband, slider, and oval ear cushions for total comfort and durability. Hidden indented eyewear channels, yeah. I think this is the part. And then ultralight at 250 grams with memory foam cushions. Never feel weighed down. So maybe it might be for like if my head will go down. On headset controls, microphone mute and volume slider. Bendable cardioid microphone suppresses noise from the back and sides, which I think that you could move it anywhere. And then custom tuned 40mm drivers for powerful clear sound with immersive bass or bass. So here's the voice pickup area. And here's the rest of the stuff, which I can't really read because it's different language. So let's start unboxing. It's a good thing that you don't need to cut the part here because you just... Oh, so here's a card. I'll just read it. Unlock your headset's full potential. With your new Razer headset comes a new level of immersion with greater audio positioning. Download 7.1 surround sound and use the activation code to truly be in the middle of all the action. Razer.com/7.1-surround-sound. And then use this scratch thing. And then here's the manual. Oh, there are also stickers. Oh, I have to flip this around. So now let's open. So here's what the headphones look like. Wait, you can move this? Oh, I think this is the one for the glasses. And yeah, I was right. You could move it around like that. And here's the, what do you call this again? Mic and audio. What? Mic and audio splitter extension cable. You can see the brand name And here's the logo, this three-headed snake, the flexible microphone. Wait, there are also numbers here on the adjusting. And then this, the muter and the volume. And here's the mic and audio splitter. Now let me try this on. So guys, what do you think? How do I look? Now I'll remove this. And even this feels nice. And then remove this as well. Wait, are these gold plated? I feel like they are. So guys, you can connect this to your CPU, your laptop, or even your PS4, your Xbox, and your Nintendo Switch. That's nice. To wrap up this video, the design's very nice, it's classy, and even the jacks are gold plated. The cushions are very smooth, soft I mean, and the wires very flexible and have a nice touch. I even like the logo here. So guys, I hope you liked our video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye!